I feel lonely. Why do they laugh at me? I look different. The little bird felt heartbroken.
A storm was coming.
The wind is strong.
Rain began pouring heavily.
I need to find shelter. Help! Help! Ah! Help! The bird became lost. Where am I? I'm cold. The bird hid from the rain.
A warm house stood nearby.
Oh no, poor bird. He looks freezing. Come here, little bird. Chirp. The bird felt safer. You are safe now. This will keep you warm. You're safe now. We'll be all right. Don't be scared. The bird slowly trusted Emma. Here is some food. Thank you. You are my friend now. The bird became happier. The bird became happier. La la la. La la la. La la la. The bird finally rested peacefully. Morning finally arrived. Good morning, little bird.
The bird became stronger.
You are so cute. Chirp, chirp. Your feathers feel so soft.
The weather became beautiful.
It's time to fly again. can do it.
The bird felt brave.
Flap. Flap. You did it. I'm proud of you.
The bird felt free.
Ah! He's coming back. Bird, chirp, bird. Chirp. You came back. The bird found love and friendship.
The bird returned every day.
Here are your favorite seeds. Chirp, chirp. They were never lonely again.
I like spending time with you. I like spending time with you.
The bird finally felt happy. The bird finally felt happy. You are beautiful to me. 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 Narrator, love changed the little bird.
Kindness made everything better. Real love comes from kindness.